Today we will be going over the unit transfer process in CRM IQ. First step is to search for the resident that is wanting to transfer. Once you find the resident, click on their name to enter to their main profile. You will first want to go into General, then Profile, and then Custom Tables. From there, select Notice Info and fill out their notice information. It's important to note that for the forwarding address, you will want to enter the address for the apartment that they are moving out of. Once when all their notice information is entered and correct, click Save. From there, you will go down to Documents, and then you will want to click Add Documents and select the RentCafe eSign from Library. Once when you have selected the unit transfer request form, you will go through the document generation workflow. Confirm that all information is correct on the unit transfer request form. And if it is, click Send. Once the resident has signed their unit transfer form and paid their unit transfer fee, go into the Manage tab on their profile, select Manage, and then select Unit Transfer. From there, you will enter the notice transfer information, such as the intended move-out date, as well as the notice to transfer date and a reason for transfer. Next, you will select their new move-in information, such as the property that they are transferring to, then select the unit that you are wanting to transfer the resident to. As soon as you select a unit, it will auto-populate some information. Please confirm that this information is correct and adjust the dates if need be for the new lease term. You will also want to confirm that the information that is transferring over to the new unit is correct, such as if they had any roommates or need to add a roommate, or if they have any rentable items or we need to adjust rentable items. If everything is correct, select Review and Post. Once you select Review and Post, it will give you one more opportunity to confirm that all information for the unit transfer is correct. If it is, select Post Transfer. Once a unit transfer is entered into the system, you will want to go into the resident's profile that is for their new unit and click on their name to enter into their profile. From their main profile, click on General, then select Manage Lease. From there, you will go through the lease generation workflow as you normally would to create a new lease for this new apartment. Once you have confirmed the rentable items and the charges, you will want to finalize the document. Please make sure that all information on the lease document is correct before selecting Finalize Lease. Once when you select Finalize Lease, this will send over to the resident for their signature. Now that you have completed everything in the system, if you are wanting to confirm that the unit transfer has been fully completed in the system, head on over to your main dashboard, then select Dashboards, and then select Resident Services. From there, you're able to select Unit Transfers, and here you can see the resident is officially confirmed for their unit transfer. They have their move-out date and their new move-in date. If you need to make any adjustments, select the Actions box, and you are able to cancel move-in, cancel notice, change move-in date, change move-out date, move into a new unit, or select move out. Now, on the day of the unit transfer, you are able to keep track of this by referring to your calendar. As you can see here, there is a move-in event and move-out event for this resident's unit transfer. To complete the move-in, you will select the move-in event and then select the resident's name. From there, you are able to click Manage and then select Move-in to complete the move-in for the resident's new unit. Now, very similar to completing the move-in, for the move-out, you are able to refer either to the calendar and select the event and the resident's name to head into their notice profile, or you can head over to the resident bucket and select Needs Moveout tab. On the Needs Moveout tab, you can see right here that the resident is waiting to be moved out. You are either able to select Move Out right here from the dashboard to complete the move out, or you can select the name and this will take you into the main profile. From there, you will go to General, Manage, and then select the drop-down for Manage and select Move Out. Once when you are ready to complete the move out, click Save, and this will ensure that the move out is completed. Now that the move in and move out have been completed in the system and the unit transfer is complete, you will still need to complete deposit accounting for the old unit. Select the resident bucket and then select Pending Deposit Accounting. We are currently in a test environment, so the unit transfer is not available to show at the moment, but you would complete the deposit accounting like you normally would for any move out. Thank you for watching.